guys, what's up? It's Kristen and these are my reviews. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Mix and Match Box. I haven't had one of these in a few months, so I'm super excited to receive this. My stylist has picked out some items here. In the box it comes wrapped, it looks like there's 2 bundles, and here's the envelope. I did this styling pass where it was like $5 to receive the box, and inside the box you get the items as well as the return envelope, and I think there is some information here. You can actually do easy pay with them as well. They give you that information. Here is my stylist, her name is Lauren, a note, and then here is my price sheet. It's actually quite a few items on here. So let's see here. All right, so the total in the box, if you keep 5 or more items, you get a 25% discount. Looks like the total is $470, discount $117.50, and then it's $352.50 for everything in the box. Let me see how many items are in here, because it looks like there's quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 items. Okay, so if you like these types of unboxings, please give this video a thumbs up, as well as click on that subscribe button, and I do these type of videos every month. Okay, so here's the bundle. I am going to undo a cute little bow. Take that off. Okay, let's get into the first bundle here. Here it is. It says, "Thank you for letting us style you." Okay. So that first item looks like a really cute skirt here, and it is by Laylis, size small, and it is $38. It's really cute. Okay. Next item is by Get Together. Looks like just a plain black top to go with that skirt. And let's see where the tag is. Oh, there's no tag. So buy together seamless tunic, $20. That's not bad. It's a cute little outfit. Okay, the next item here looks like a cute dress. Black dress here. Looks like it has some ruffles at the bottom, really cute, as well as ruffles on the sleeve. And this is by Gilly, size small, and it's $42. Okay, next item here is a shirt. It's kind of like a crop, and it has a little tie on the side. And it's by Sugar Lips, and it's $49, and also size small. Okay, last item in the bundle here is this cute little dress here. It has like patchwork, and it looks like it flares out, and it's by Doe and Ray, and it's $48. Okay, let's get into the next bundle. Here it is. Ooh, it looks like some jeans or some crops. So let's see here, or shorts maybe, yeah. Okay, these are by Liverpool. Looks like there's some type of detail here, and they're quite long. Kind of not my style. They are total $68, and they're size 0-25. Next item, I pinned this item. I thought this was really cute. This is a tank top with some holes in it, and it is by 143 Story by Lineup, and it is $46 for a tank top. Oh, it's cute, but that's kind of pricey. Okay, next item here is this crop top here. Cute. It's by Laylis, and it's $26. Okay, looks like we got some camo type jeans. And these are by Wishlist Jeans, size small. Oh, there's some distressing on them right here. Very cute. And let's see, there's a tag. Yep, tag inside. These are $55. And then, oh, not last but not least, it looks like, here is a little top, a little blue top here, tank top by Lush, and it's $25. And this is a size small, this top. It's like a gray, looks kind of blue on my camera. And it's by Buy Together, size small, and it's $58. Okay, so at the end of the video, you're gonna see some try-ons during the video on the side here, and I'll come back and let you know what I decided to keep, if anything. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come back and let you know what I decided to keep. I decided to keep the blue shirt, which is really cute. The camo jeans with a little bit of distressing. The blue top with the tank top with the holes. The black plain top, which goes with this really, really cute skirt. So that's what I decided to keep. I really appreciate you guys watching. Give this video a like and a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Bye.